Okay, so we have here the pump for oil, hand pump, and we have to use these articles, as you can see. So we have here the hose, and this hose we can input inside. Here. Then we need to take this hand pump and give here. Okay. Okay, this is done like this. Okay, now we have here the MTD Smart 46 SPO, and the oil is right here. So we need to open this. And it's really close very hard. Maybe I will need any key. And we take this here. Okay, finally it's done. We can. Okay, we can keep it somewhere. Keep. And we can take out the oil. Now we input the hose inside, and we have to just pumping, and oil is taking to the here. You can see how much oil we have already there. Pressure is there. So see, very nice. Now it's time for new oil. So you need something like this. And input it here, and more give the like this, and then take an oil and input him inside. So we have here the new oil, 4-stroke engine oil, 4-tact. So we go give this oil inside. 0.6 liters is enough for this machine. This is cover of the oil after 2 years. After 2 years, look quality of the oil.